Enero nitong taon ng huling makapanayam sa programang Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho ang batikang direktor na si Marilu Diaz-Abaya. Sa kabila ng pakikipagbuno niya sa cancer, larawan pa rin siya ng pag-asa at determinasyon. Itinuring niyang biyaya ang bawat araw ng kanyang buhay na inilaan sa paghahanda para sa kanyang pagbabalik sa may kapal.
Na po sa lahat, kumusta na ho kayo?
Today, I'm feeling well, and I'm so glad that we chose this date because any cancer survivor will tell you, no matter how well they're coping with their treatments, there are good days and not so good days. But today happens to be a very good day, and I'm glad I'm spending the morning with you.
Pero ano po ang diagnosis ng doktor?
I was first diagnosed with breast cancer, stage 3 in January of 2007. So I spent most of 2007 in treatments. Then I was on remission in 2008. Unang-unang thought na pumasok sa isip ko is, oh my God, thank you, I have time. Because I was thinking, you could go down the elevator and it could drop, and you wouldn't have had time to think about the people whom you still love, who you still need you, and how to prepare for the inevitable, which is death. Arawan sa vineyards ni Lord.
Amazing talaga, direct na parang tanggap na tanggap nyo
Yes.
where you're going. You're
Well,
inevitable.
I don't know where I'm going, but that I have to go sooner or later. Yes, I'm prepared anytime. Anytime. I don't really fight cancer. I befriended it eh. Ang fight, Jessica, is una, fear. Yan ang fight. Kasi talagang tutuksohin ka. Matutukso kang matakot. Matutukso kang mag-doubt.
Which of the death scenes in your movies,
Oo.
yung nakaka-relate ka na gusto mo ma-visualize, ganun din?
Hindi ko pa siya nadidirect, pero alam mo, lagi ko ini-imagine, ang model ko kasi si Mama Mary. Hindi naman siya nagkaroon ng painful death or what. Parang natulog lang siya, tapos sinundo na siya.
Hindi cinematic, direct.
Hindi, as a matter of fact, subtle. Pagod na kami mga director mag-direct ng mga naghihiyawan pagka may namamatay. So, in the last 5 years, marami akong practice. But what I'd like to add to that, na hindi mo na itatanong is, bago ako nagka-cancer kasi, napaka-peligroso ng tatlong pelikulang ginawa ko.
Ano-ano to, direct?
Yung Jose Rizal.
Okay. Puro amin.
Jose Rizal, my goodness, lagi kami merong kung saan-saan lupalok. I never know when an ambulance will be needed. Alam mo yun, so you are dealing with life-threatening situations. And then Muruami, literally, it's life and death. We have to keep alert to saving lives.
Biggest lesson, direct, na natutunan nyo?
Love in all its forms. You tend to take love for granted. We don't show it enough. And most of the time, it's because we don't have time enough.